Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment. As we embark on the journey of exploring the hidden wonders of consuming baking soda water before bedtime, we uncover a world of remarkable advantages that can transform our overall well-being. This simple yet powerful practice has gained significant traction in recent years, and for good reason. By incorporating baking soda water into our nighttime routine, we unlock a treasure trove of benefits that extend far beyond mere hydration. In this video, we will delve into the science behind baking soda water, unveiling its profound effects on various aspects of our health. From improved digestion and relief from acid reflux to weight management and detoxification, baking soda water emerges as a natural powerhouse, offering a multitude of advantages that can profoundly impact our daily lives. As we navigate through the intricacies of this extraordinary elixir, we will explore its preparation methods, potential side effects, and practical tips for safe consumption. Prepare to embark on a journey that will unveil the hidden wonders of baking soda water, empowering you to embrace a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. To fully appreciate the transformative power of baking soda water, it is essential to understand the science behind its remarkable properties. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a naturally occurring compound that has been utilized for centuries in various applications, from baking to cleaning. When dissolved in water, baking soda undergoes a chemical reaction, producing carbonic acid. This mild acid has a profound impact on the body's pH levels, creating an alkaline environment that can counteract excess acidity. By maintaining a balanced pH, baking soda water can alleviate a wide range of health concerns and promote overall well-being. The alkaline nature of baking soda water has been linked to numerous benefits, including improved digestion. Baking soda water can help neutralize excess stomach acid, reducing discomfort and promoting better digestion. Relief from acid reflux. By neutralizing stomach acid, baking soda water can provide relief from the burning sensation associated with acid reflux and heartburn. Detoxification. Baking soda water supports the body's natural detoxification processes by promoting the elimination of toxins and waste products. Moreover, baking soda water has been shown to have a positive impact on various bodily functions, including kidney health, blood sugar regulation, and weight management. As we delve deeper into the subsequent sections, we will uncover the specific mechanisms through which baking soda water exerts its remarkable effects. Maintaining a healthy digestive system is crucial for overall well-being, and baking soda water can play a pivotal role in supporting this vital aspect of our health. By consuming baking soda water before bedtime, we can harness its powerful properties to promote optimal digestive function and foster a balanced gut environment. One of the primary benefits of baking soda water lies in its ability to neutralize excess stomach acid. When consumed, the alkaline nature of baking soda water helps to counteract the acidity in the stomach, creating a more favorable pH balance. This can alleviate symptoms associated with conditions like acid reflux, heartburn, and indigestion, providing much-needed relief and promoting a more comfortable digestive experience. Moreover, baking soda water can contribute to the maintenance of a healthy gut microbiome. The alkaline environment created by baking soda water can support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall gut health. By fostering a balanced gut microbiome, baking soda water can help reduce the risk of digestive issues and promote overall digestive well-being. To further enhance the digestive benefits of baking soda water, consider incorporating it into your bedtime routine. Consuming it before sleep allows the body to fully harness its properties during the resting phase when digestive processes are at their peak. This simple practice can lead to improved digestion, reduced discomfort, and a more harmonious gut environment, ultimately contributing to better overall health and well-being. Acid reflux and heartburn are common digestive issues that can significantly impact our quality of life. These conditions occur when stomach acid rises into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation in the chest and throat area. While there are various medications available to manage these symptoms, baking soda water offers a natural and effective solution that can provide relief without the potential side effects of conventional treatments. The alkaline nature of baking soda water plays a crucial role in neutralizing the excess stomach acid that contributes to acid reflux and heartburn. When consumed, baking soda water reacts with the hydrochloric acid present in the stomach, forming carbon dioxide and water. This reaction helps to reduce the overall acidity levels in the stomach, thereby alleviating the discomfort associated with acid reflux and heartburn. Furthermore, Baking soda water can help to soothe and heal the damaged lining of the esophagus, which is often irritated by the persistent exposure to stomach acid during reflux episodes. The alkaline properties of baking soda water can create a more favorable environment for the healing process, promoting the restoration of the esophageal lining and reducing the risk of further irritation. To maximize the benefits of baking soda water for acid reflux and heartburn relief, it is recommended to consume it approximately 30 minutes before bedtime. This timing allows the baking soda water to work its magic during the night when acid reflux and heartburn symptoms are often at their worst. Additionally, it is advisable to avoid lying down immediately after consumption, as this can potentially exacerbate the reflux symptoms. By incorporating baking soda water into your nighttime routine, you can experience relief from the discomfort of acid reflux and heartburn, allowing you to enjoy a more restful and comfortable night's sleep. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are a common and often uncomfortable condition that can significantly impact one's quality of life. While antibiotics are typically prescribed for the treatment of UTIs, baking soda water has emerged as a natural and effective remedy that can help alleviate symptoms and support the body's healing process. The alkaline nature of baking soda water plays a crucial role in combating UTIs. By increasing the pH levels in the urinary tract, baking soda water creates an unfavorable environment for the growth and proliferation of bacteria responsible for UTIs. This can help to reduce the severity of symptoms and potentially prevent the infection from worsening. Additionally, baking soda water can act as a natural diuretic, promoting increased urine flow and frequent urination. This process helps to flush out bacteria and toxins from the urinary tract, further aiding in the resolution of the infection. To harness the benefits of baking soda water for UTI relief, it is recommended to consume it regularly throughout the day. The alkaline properties of baking soda water can help neutralize the acidity in the urinary tract, creating a more hostile environment for the bacteria causing the infection. However, it is important to note that while baking soda water can provide relief and support the body's healing process, it should not be considered a substitute for medical treatment. If symptoms persist or worsen, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Beyond its digestive and urinary tract benefits, baking soda water has also gained recognition for its potential role in weight management and blood sugar regulation. By incorporating this simple elixir into your daily routine, you can unlock a powerful ally in your journey towards a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. One of the key mechanisms through which baking soda water contributes to weight loss is its ability to support a healthy metabolism. The alkaline nature of baking soda water can help to neutralize excess acidity in the body, which is often associated with a sluggish metabolism. By maintaining a balanced pH level, baking soda water can optimize metabolic processes, allowing the body to burn calories more efficiently and promote weight loss. Moreover, baking soda water has been found to have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. By promoting a more alkaline environment in the body, baking soda water can help to improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for effective blood sugar regulation. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. To maximize the weight loss and blood sugar management benefits of baking soda water, it is recommended to consume it regularly throughout the day. However, it is essential to strike a balance and not overindulge, as excessive consumption of baking soda water can lead to potential side effects. In our fast-paced modern lives, our bodies are constantly exposed to a myriad of toxins and environmental pollutants. These harmful substances can accumulate in our systems, leading to various health issues and compromising our overall well-being. Fortunately, baking soda water offers a natural and effective solution for detoxification, supporting the body's natural cleansing processes and promoting optimal kidney health. The alkaline properties of baking soda water play a crucial role in the detoxification process. By neutralizing excess acidity in the body, baking soda water creates an environment that is less conducive to the accumulation of toxins. This can help to facilitate the elimination of harmful substances through various pathways, including the kidneys, liver, and digestive system. Furthermore, baking soda water can directly support kidney health by promoting optimal pH levels in the urinary tract. This can help to prevent the formation of kidney stones, which are often caused by an imbalance in the body's acid-base levels. By maintaining a balanced pH, baking soda water can reduce the risk of kidney stone formation and support overall kidney function. To harness the detoxification and kidney health benefits of baking soda water, it is recommended to consume it regularly, ideally on an empty stomach. This allows the baking soda water to work its magic without interference from other substances in the digestive system. Baking soda water is a powerful natural remedy for improving dental health. One of its primary benefits is its ability to neutralize acids in the mouth, which can prevent tooth decay and protect enamel from erosion. When used as a rinse, baking soda water can help reduce the levels of harmful bacteria in the mouth, promoting fresher breath and reducing the risk of gum disease. Its mild abrasive properties make it an effective natural teeth whitener, helping to remove surface stains caused by foods and drinks like coffee and wine. Additionally, baking soda's alkaline nature can help balance the pH in the mouth, making it less hospitable for bacteria that thrive in acidic environments. Using baking soda water regularly as part of your oral hygiene routine can complement brushing and flossing, supporting healthier gums, reducing plaque buildup, and giving you a cleaner, brighter smile without the use of harsh chemicals. To fully reap the benefits of baking soda water, it is essential to prepare and consume it correctly. While baking soda water is generally considered safe when consumed in moderation, improper preparation or excessive consumption can lead to potential side effects. In this section, we will explore the proper methods for preparing and consuming baking soda water to ensure maximum safety and effectiveness. Start with high-quality baking soda, preferably aluminum-free and free from additives. Measure out the appropriate amount of baking soda. A general guideline is to use 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda per 8 ounces of water. Dissolve the baking soda in a glass of room temperature or warm water, stirring until fully dissolved. For enhanced flavor and additional benefits, you can add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a few drops of your preferred essential oil. Sip the baking soda water slowly to allow for proper absorption and avoid potential discomfort. It is recommended to consume baking soda water on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning or before bedtime, for optimal results. Start with a smaller amount and gradually increase as your body adjusts to the alkaline nature of baking soda water. Stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water to support the body's detoxification processes. It is important to note that while baking soda water is generally safe for most individuals, those with certain medical conditions or taking specific medications should exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into their routine. This includes individuals with kidney disease, high blood pressure, or those taking medications that may interact with baking soda. By following these guidelines and listening to your body's signals, you can safely and effectively incorporate baking soda water into your daily routine, unlocking its remarkable benefits for overall health and well-being. While baking soda water offers numerous benefits for overall health and well-being, it is important to be aware of potential side effects and exercise caution when consuming it. Like any supplement or natural remedy, baking soda water should be consumed in moderation and with proper guidance. One of the most common side effects associated with excessive consumption of baking soda water is gastrointestinal discomfort. This can manifest as bloating, gas, or abdominal cramps. These symptoms occur when the body is unable to properly absorb and neutralize the excess sodium bicarbonate, leading to an imbalance in the digestive system. Another potential side effect is electrolyte imbalance. Baking soda is a source of sodium, and excessive consumption can lead to an increase in sodium levels in the body. This can be particularly concerning for individuals with certain medical conditions, such as kidney disease or high blood pressure, as it may exacerbate their symptoms. Additionally, prolonged or excessive consumption of baking soda water may interfere with the absorption of certain medications or supplements. The alkaline nature of baking soda water can potentially alter the pH levels in the digestive tract, affecting the bioavailability and efficacy of certain drugs or supplements. To mitigate these potential side effects and ensure safe consumption, it is recommended to start with a small amount of baking soda water and gradually increase the dosage as your body adjusts. Consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications. Consume baking soda water in moderation and avoid excessive consumption. Stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Monitor your body's response and discontinue use if you experience any adverse reactions. By exercising caution and following these precautions, you can safely incorporate baking soda water into your daily routine and reap its numerous benefits while minimizing the risk of potential side effects. As we conclude our exploration of the hidden wonders of consuming baking soda water before bedtime, it becomes evident that this simple practice holds remarkable potential for enhancing our overall well-being. From improved digestion and relief from acid reflux to weight management and detoxification, the benefits of baking soda water are truly multifaceted. By incorporating this natural elixir into our nighttime routine, we unlock a powerful ally in our quest for optimal health. The alkaline properties of baking soda water work in harmony with our body's natural processes, creating an environment conducive to healing, rejuvenation, and overall balance. As we drift off to sleep, baking soda water continues its work, supporting our digestive system, neutralizing excess acidity, and promoting a restful slumber. Upon waking, we are greeted with a renewed sense of vitality, ready to embrace the day ahead with increased energy and a heightened sense of well-being. While baking soda water is not a magic cure-all, it serves as a complementary tool in our pursuit of a healthier lifestyle. By combining its consumption with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a positive mindset, we can unlock its full potential and experience the transformative power of this simple, yet profound practice. Don't forget to like and share your experiences in the comments below. Subscribe and press the notification bells to get updated for our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.